What do you think?
That's awesome.
Dude, 25 miles of riding with this thing on is not easy.
Holy shit. Where did you get that?
Oh, I just made it.
You made it?
Yeah.
Oh my God, girl.
That's hilarious.
Thanks.
Very nice. I like it.
The costume rides today for my group. And we're all meeting here.
Oh yeah?
There's like 80 people interested.
Ah, damn. Nice job. That's cool.
Thanks. All I hear is the grumbling of your bike and also your lap over it.
What's that button do? Is that call your mom?
Yeah.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
There we go. All right. Will everybody get to the front for a photo quick?
That's what we need. Everyone's busy, Maya. Hey, Maya, you want a bitch on your back? What a guy.
What is this?
You want a bitch passenger?
Do you want to help me put it? I don't have a rear seat. I don't have anywhere to connect it to.
I have zip ties.
Oh, dude, that'd be funny.
Yeah.
You must love
What's up, man, woman?
Dude, he's
got
gonna
Hey.
go for somebody's boot right
I
there.
guess I'll Snapchat of you.
Okay, only with this gun.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
There's a woman here. Here, spin
That's great, bro. Oh, don't touch that. That's inappropriate,
you're supposed to
man.
blow there. Okay, come on.
All right, everybody, group together, quick.
All right, come on. I got
Oh yeah, he's got the alligator there. Another panda. We got a ton of pandas.
Get together and say freaks.
All right, everybody's good?
Am I blocking it?
A little safety talk. Thanks for coming out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the gas station right away. It is about 3 minutes down the road. We'll get gas and stay there for about 10 minutes. If everybody needs drinks, tell somebody you're going inside or tell me you're going inside so I can make sure you come out on time. Otherwise, we're gonna be riding in a staggered formation. We're gonna be using hand signals. If you don't feel comfortable using hand signals, don't do it. If you are comfortable using hand signals, please copy the person in front of you. That way the people on the way back know which direction we're going. If a car tries to get in between us, no grandma in a Prius wants to get in between 40 bikers, trust me. So just let them get in, let them do what they gotta do. You're not gonna miss Pikachu and Iron Man and whatever that is going down the road. You won't lose us. You know, anybody can call me on Facebook if they need anything. We're gonna go and do back roads around Lake Minnetonka. We are gonna do a little bit of highway, but we're gonna stay to 60 miles an hour. That way the Groms and small CC bikes are comfortable with it. So feel free to honk, feel free to rev, feel free to wave. You know, we're here to make some noise and have some fun. Everybody wave at Michael. Bye, Michael.
You will burn out.
All right, have some fun. Let's gear up. I like your team.
Moto.